Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. This is a continuation video of commercial office design series. In this one, I am going to show you how I made this office room in detail. So let's start. Okay, this is where we left off in the previous video. Hide this ceiling. Actually, we have planned here. It is a meeting room, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 are what office rooms, right? Actually, if you observe here, all these 6 rooms are with the same size, except some these are. Probably we will match with the wall decor. Okay, no problem, just leave it. But except other than that, everything is with the same size. Probably it is not. Let's just check. Like here it is 3000 mm, and this one 2985. So everything will be obviously 2985 only. So this one 3000 and 3000. How about this one? This one is 3000 only, but this one not. Yeah, 3485. Like almost 400 or 500 mm more than this. Okay, no problem. By the way, what we have planned, like here workstation, and we will make one office room and we will copy here. Probably some changes. Only 400 mm means around like 1.5 to below 2 feet. So that's not going to be a problem. Except that everything is very same. So we have already made this for glass paneling, so leave it. But here we are going to plan the office. So if any HR or whoever manager or some office persons are sitting over here, means that they what we need to consider. We need to consider he should have a table and an office chair, and if any clients are here to talk with them, so we need to assign some normal seating chairs for guests. And like what we need to do, we need to plan for shelves also, so that they can like they can store the files and all. So if you remember, this wall is like a gypsum wall that we have seen in the given DW file, drawing file, right? So these are all gypsum walls, so solid walls. Here up to here, I am thinking like up to here we can place shelves on both sides. So this is the door, means on opposite doors we should provide the desk like this, and here a chair, office chair, and this is the main wall, so common wall. So what I am going to do, I will make a simple decorative on this wall, so that we can copy on each wall. Maybe if we are any, if we have this kind of shape also, that will be covered in that design wall. So I was planning like here, let's start from here. Like I will take 1.5 feet. I am again telling you, like this file is in the given drawing file is in this is like metric units, but I'm used to imperial units like inches and feet, so that is why. But SketchUp has ability to convert inches and feet in a single unit unit model. So no problem. Simply what you need to do, you need to if you are using imperial units in metrics, you need to assign the symbols like feet and inches. You already know the symbols, right? So 1.5 feet for the shelf. So if you open the door, like probably opening will be like this, right? So what is the length of this door? Around like 1000 mm. So T okay, wow, how much space we need to leave for the desk? Even we need to place the desk, right? Okay, so here we need to leave some space for seating, just for seating, like A 3 feet would be nice. So if you consider this is like 9 feet, around 9 feet, 3000 mm means around 9 feet it is. So if you leave 3 feet, 6 feet will be for seating and other. So no problem. I'm leaving 4 feet for the seating and all. I'm leaving 4 feet. Here desk will be like this, like a L-shaped desk, and here we are going to leave one more 2.5 feet. Okay, this is for walk. Here we are going to make the shelves, and after opening the door he is going to enter like this, and he is going to sit. So sit here. T 2 feet for the desk, and from the wall 1.5 feet. Okay, like L shape desk. Here also shelves. Here is the seating. I hope you understand my vision. So let's make one by one. I am creating with the rectangle in that direction. Push pull. Okay, it is like 12 feet here, right? Probably we need to look for the ceiling as well. Alt H or unhide. I have assigned that shortcut. Okay, what I was thinking, first of all we need to assign glass material to it so that we can understand it. Actually, I have applied a glass material already. Over here, simply we can pick this material and select this, double click, Alt C. Make sure you select only the glass, not with the frame. I'm going to assign black color, the same whatever I have applied over there. I will apply the same. Okay, select all ones, B. So I will apply the glass material and I will begin Alt C. Over here I have made the black material. I'll see again. So on top of this height, on top of this one, if I apply any material on it, so only that particular frame will be applied with the black color, right? Okay, that's good enough. And now we will continue with it. So on top of it I have placed the main main ceiling. So here we need to provide, like, this is like 12 feet height. Normal office room, normal room should height like 9.5 to 10 feet only. So for the 2 feet we can make that ceiling design. I will make a hexagonal ceiling design for this, just for the look itself. So I am going to make 9.5 feet shelves. Okay, only 9.5 feet. And here I will make it as a group. We are going to design that later. And a rectangle like this. Okay, I will make it to here. Push pull 2.5 feet. This is for desk. The same. Make it a group. Double click. This one erase. Okay, here we are going to make the shelves, inside shelves, closed shelves. So this is the desk. Up to here, entire thing will be a desk here. Okay, and T from here we need to assign 1.5. Sorry, 2 feet. 2 feet. Later on that 1 inch. Sorry, 1 inch. Enter. I will make one more rectangle, green axis, and select this line, move red color axis up to this one, P. This is 1.5 feet, right? Only 1 feet will be the open shelf. I will make it a group. Here is T. Here 1.5 feet. M control this one up to here, and control again from this point to this point. Now if you observe, okay, these are like open shelves. Okay, here we are going to place some vase, flower vases or whatever decorative pieces, and here we can place the books and all, or even other official office purpose items that we can fill up here. And here we are going to make with closed shelves, like with the doors. Okay, what to do next? I'll erase these reference lines, not read them. Okay, just make these three as a group, and on top of it I will push pull with a control 1 inch. Okay, and push pull 1 inch on each side. Okay, on outside, not in. 1 inch. Here there will be one, so and this direction 1 inch, and this direction 1 inch. Okay, okay, this is for the top desk. Okay, and well, push pull it in this direction up to here, like this way. It is 1 inch. I want to increase it a little bit more, 2 inches, and this direction 2 inches. Okay, and I will use some raptor texture over here. See, for this one I want to use black color rafters. Okay, okay, to be further we'll continue. Probably we need to make some doors. Okay, we may get into it, so that's why I'm using it. First of all, if you are making any desk, control from the ground 3 inches for the skating, push pull 1.5 inches, and in this direction same. So after that we need to make this doors. So M control 1.5 feet, control 0.75. okay, offset first 0.75 inches, then after from here to 1.5 feet, sorry, 1.5 feet, control 0.75 inch, control 1.5 feet. So okay, this will be like a 2 feet door. Okay, 2 shutters. Simply push pull 0.5 inches, and same. We may look from this angle, that's why it may look like this. So we are not looking from here, so I'm not making this, just for the upper class. Okay, the similar way we need to make here. By the way, it will be visible entirely, so that we need to make everything. Okay, first of all, as I told you earlier, skating 3 inches, push pull 1.5 inches. Okay, a long door first. First of all, offset 0.75 inches, then M control in this red color axis 1.5 feet. Okay, next 0.75 inch, and from here I'll to see okay, I will copy this one in Z direction up to here. This is the desk height. Control, okay, M control this up to here. Okay, next what? So actually I want to make it the desk. M control 2 feet, push pull inside 1.5 feet means 1 feet 6 inches, so 1 feet 5 inches. Okay, then after okay, this is like that only, and I will push pull, this is 0.5 inch, and same over here. Okay, but first of all we need to divide. M control 1.5 feet, control 0.75 inches. Yeah, this is the problem here. Control 1.5 feet, yep, 0.75 inches. Okay, now push pull up to here, double click, see, those three are doors, and this is a long door, and here I want to make the open shelves just like this. How many shelves we have made? 1 2, this one base, 1 2 shelves. First of all, copy this line, M control 0.75, no 1 inch. Next one, control 1 feet, control 1 inch, then again control 1 feet, control 1 inch, no 0.75 inches. Why? Thereafter these are going to be similar door like shapes, shutters. Push pull up to this one too. Next, what to do? Shelves similar to this. That's it, everything's done. So if you want to remove these kind of external lines, you already know, clean up, double click it, clean up, clean, selected, clean up. Do this and edges will be removed. See, it's done. Okay, click OK. Okay, then this is for the shelves. I want to add one more thing, like I want to use rafters, so I will move it like 1 inch. I will show you why I have made that. Before that, here how I am going to make this rafter. M control 1 inch, control 2 inch, okay, 2 inch, no 1.5 inch only. We select these two, M control, here X15, okay, X15, X20, too much, control X, okay, I'll see. Now you can clean them, unwanted lines. Okay, just leave it that. Now select this one, okay, and use similar in the selection tools, similar same area. See, all that will be selected. Join push pull. How much? This is like 1.5 inches. See, there's go our rafters, and push pull up to here. See, this is desk only. I want to use all desk will be with wooden, like a chocolate color wood. I'm referring for this, and this is a black rafters. The same black rafters I will use at this area, and in the center behind the desk I want to place like old map lighting, like that decorative piece. So first of all, here we need to make the rafters. See, I'm going to make a rafter all the way here. So for the easiness, I will make a line, or we can do one more thing. Select this, Control C, Control V. Okay. Next, L, enter in this direction 1.5 inches in upward direction up to here, and push pull 1.5 inches and this line M control 1.5 inches push pull up to this line. Okay, this one is one rafter, and I will select these two lines. F, how much? 0.5, oh no, 0.25 inches, and push pull it 1 inch. Okay, this is one rafter. I will select it, make it as a component, create. Next one, M control on the opposite direction, here, see, X10. Okay, this is the set. I will select it and make it a group, and first of all I will place it at the position first. You need to place it here. Okay, select this and red color, I say this one, and select this point, move it here. That's it, right? Oh my, actually the table should move one more half inch. M 0.5 inches, right? Thereafter we are going to place this rafters. I'll see, select all again, M control like this again. How many we need? X2. Okay, M control like this. Okay, that's it. I guess that's enough for this. I shouldn't get this flickering. Did I made any mistake? No. Okay, we will apply the black color to it and we'll check that later. Okay, one more thing, I need to focus on this shelves and the desk. M 1.5 inches, right? That's good enough. Okay, this is going to be office. Over here I am going to place this world map wire lighting, so that could be for the record, and here I need to paste chair, office chair, and some decorative items. So first of all I will copy those, I will cut this video and I will copy those. Later on we will work on the material. Okay guys, if you look at here, I have filled up all the decorative items. All these items are usually present in this office. Some plantation also I have used this kind of flower, some greenery and this kind, and I have placed the system and a telephone and some bins, some pencil or pen holders and charts and all, and even this printing unit, sound system and all. Usually all these items are definitely will be present in this office, so I use only those to fill these areas. And I have just copied this world map. This is like a wire structure. What I want to do, I want to make this rafters as a black color rafter, and on this these are like white lighting. So I'm going to use what we call emissive material on this object, and everything is filled up except one thing, like we need to make the ceiling. If you observe from the outside, these are like filled up rafters, right? But around like 9.5 feet at that height, I'm going to make the hexagonal kind of a ceiling, decorative ceilings. Alt H, C, and this is like roof. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm thinking like I need to further extend these rafters. Up to here rafters is going to be there, and below that I'm going to arrange like a hexagonal shaped ceiling that will be for decorative purpose only. Okay, and on those ceilings I'm going to place the lights. So first of all we will start making the hexagon, and I will hide this ceiling again, and I will go to this component. This is why I have made this as a component up to here. So filled up. Yeah, no problem, just leave for that. Okay, if you are not satisfied with it, M control 1. Okay, control one more thing. So now it is filled up, right? Definitely filled up, right? That's it. Okay, why I'm getting this kind of flickering? This should be like below the ceiling. Okay. I can correct it right now. I'll see. First of all, need to select only the top face. I'll say again, move it. Okay, move on top of this point, parallel this point. So now it is on the ceiling. Okay, if you look from inside, it won't be flickering. And this one too, it should be why only these came outside. Okay, this is can be I mean inside this wall. That is why we are getting flickering only in this area, not over here, right? Oh, even here also we are getting some. Okay then. Yep, usually we make all the mistakes. Okay, mistakes are meant to be correct, right? Okay, after adjusting this error, now we need to make some hexagon shapes. How much? Okay, first of all, I will take the rectangle of this whole area. I will select this rectangle and move it out somewhere like 5000 mm. Okay, I mean on this I will make the hexagon shape and move it 5000 in this direction. Okay, now I will use offset. So 1.5 feet. If you use 1.5 feet offset means here we just left on either side, right? We have left some space for shelves on both sides. So in between this area we need to make that hexagon. Okay, Control Z. Okay. First of all, how can you make the hexagon very easily with the circle? Okay, while drawing circle, assign 6, yes, enter. Now it is hexagon, right? And show this direction. How much do you need? Like 6 inches. If you say 6 inches radius, probably it is 1 feet. So I will say 4 inches. 4-inch click enter. I'm thinking this is too damn small. Okay, again 6 inches, 1 feet hexagon. Even this one too looking small. Oh, but 9 inches hexagon. 9 inches means 1.5 feet. That's good enough. Okay. And just on an average I'm making this. Later on we can adjust those, no problem at all. Okay, somewhere inside, M control. So usually what to do? T offset would be 3 inches. Okay, M control in this direction. So we need to place okay, just drawing a line like this. Okay, here is this M control at this point, that's good. Okay, and I'll select this M control, this point to this point, again X2. Okay, and in this direction also need T 3 inches. Oh my, 3 inches. Similar like that with this pink what we call tracing line, we can assume that which is parallel to this one. That's it. Control this point to that point. See, now it's okay. Okay, control okay, this point to this point, x2 on the similar way I want here, control this point to this point. Okay, we don't need one more here. Just I'm placing that kind of a randomness. This point to this. No. I don't want here. Okay, I want here only. Control here to there. Okay. So if we make both control I want it to be a random, not a regular one. That's why I'm using like this kind of shape. Okay, this one also not bad at all. I will erase these lines, and probably we can make this as a group and select all. I'll see join push pull in this direction. Just how much thickness? 2 inches. 2 inch thickness. Oh my, why? Okay. 2 inches. Okay then. Okay. Select this line. Okay, select this one. Control center. Okay. Control in this direction 10 mm, control in this direction 20 mm. Here is push pull. Oh, okay, these three are linked and these two. Okay.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, I have made all the links. They are not like hanging on the air. So what I can do, I can simply circle now 24. Yes, enter. Now it will look like a circle on top of the at the end. At this end. Or what we can do more. 1 2 3 4. Okay, I will do like this. Hold. Okay. While tracking, hold shift. This is the center. How much? 0.5 inch. So 1 inch. This is like a screw or something. A stand. Okay. First of all, okay. I will make these circles. Control over here. Okay, here and somewhere here. Not uneven. What here? One more. Okay. Not bad. Some stands are there. Okay, I will place over here to 3. Okay, like these are like spokes that we can hinge from the ceiling. Okay, first of all I need to move 5000, enter, and that from here to here, how much? Like 2 feet. So that would be my ceiling. Okay, and go inside this component. I'll see, push pull this, I'll see up to these rafters. I'll see. Okay, and double click on each. That's it. Some strings. Offset. Okay, I will leave it. Not going to be visible. Okay, it is visible. Double click. So this is the effort I need to put. Select this offset to 2 inches. Select this. Multiple offsets I can select. This one, and this one, and this one. At the extension I have multiple offset. Constant. Distance is like 2 inches outside. Okay, see, that is very good tool. Okay, push pull, just a bit, double click. If you remember all the plugins in time, then your work is going to be very easier. Okay then, I think I have made this ceiling also, and on the ceiling, where and where? Okay, first of all I will hide this. If you look from this angle, where at what places you can place the lighting. These ends are good. Okay, circle. Again I am going to make at the center. This circle is going to be light, so like 2 inches light. Push pull just a bit, make it as a component. Great. Okay, M control this point to that point, and again control this one and control this one. See, like this way I am going to place the lightings. At the center you want to place, you can. I don't want it, that's enough. I mean, this is very 9 by 9 feet room means 4 lights are more than enough. So Alt H everything. I have played this. Okay, this is our office. For now we don't need this glass. Why? We are not going to make this render over here, so I will hide this and I will make a render like this. So this one too, door. Okay, Z 5560. See, this wall actually is going to interrupt my render. I am going to render like this. In the Enscape we will change the field of view. So this is going to be my office render. Okay, update it and save it. Now we need to assign material on each object that we have created. So go to materials. You already know how to do it. First of all, white color. Why white color? This is going to be wood and black. So first of all I will make this black one. Okay, this black. Okay, I am going to apply over here B, and also at these rafters I'll see. Oh my, this is not the separate on B, so do it properly. If not, it look like, I mean, it's look odd. Same to same on this one. Even though it is a component, I'm just applying on outside. Okay, everything is black. And one more thing, what to do? Where else? Okay, on this, these are going to be black. Okay, and what else? That's it, I guess. This is the only thing black, and this is going to be this one. Pick it and edit white, but EMISSI. This is light actually. Okay, producing light from it. And one more thing, what to do? If you select this wall, some material applied here, I am going to edit it and I am going to apply it on the concrete. I have a texture like plaster. Open. Okay, on each wall it is applied with it, and I will decrease this brightness. A plaster look with this kind of a rough material. Actually, this is a gypsum wall, so obviously it will look like some roughness on it. Don't go beyond, some just a bit. Okay, okay, like that. That's enough. Okay, that's it. And I mean, if you use the texture, it will fill some. It will look like some filling. It won't look like an empty space is there. And one more thing, some color I want to apply on this one. Okay, it should be white color ceiling. And where is the emissive? Okay, actually this is the emissive one. Okay, I will make separate one for those lights, just some yellowish and emissive. Emissive, double click and apply on this one. Okay, and what to do next? So we have completed the ceiling, lights, this one decorative also done, everything is done except the wood. See, even the walls also covered with the white plaster. I want to apply a same wood on these open shells and this one also, and even this also a same wood color, no changes. What about the flooring? Okay, here we need to assign some flooring, right? Actually we are going to copy the same thing over here. So what I am going to do, I will draw a line continuation to it. I'll see. So all this area except at the center, M control bright color here, M control red color axis, and here. So this is going to be wooden. One more wooden floor, but not this one, flat one. I will apply with the one more wood texture. I already to show you that in the previous video. I have already shown you that, like planks, this one. Okay, and apply here. Too small, so edit going to be 2000, right? Even more we can increase furthermore, like 1500. Good enough, or probably you can increase a little bit more. Yeah, that's enough for that. And over here what to do, what texture should be suitable? Also this one, M control to here. I will erase this one. Actually we are going to place a lounge area here. So I'll see why it is separated. Also see this one more. Also see. Okay. So this area and this. Okay, this area is going to be the same for the reception also. Okay, we will continue the same on the reception. No. For the reception, I am going to use separate one separate texture for the flooring. I'll see. Move here. Okay. For the meeting room and the office room, a single flooring. Usually, what floor we can use? We can use the marble. Actually, they have mentioned like a carpet, right? Either you can go with the carpet or marble. What I am choosing, more wood is there, so I will choose the marble, high glossy marble. So marbles. Actually, this marble texture I want to use pure black. Okay, I have selected this and click OK and apply over here, but adjust the scale about 1500, right? Okay. This will look cool in the rendering. By looking at it, you may not like this. But yeah, okay, leave it for now. In the rendering, it will look very glossy. If you black color glossy means it will look really good. For now, it's okay. And what next? Okay, I just changed my mind. Little gray, okay. On this shelves, only on the doors, wood, and here the same wood. Okay. Next, I'm going to choose the wood color. I want to choose this wood pattern like a chocolatey color wood with the green. Click OK and double click on it and select the faces. Only those faces you want to apply with it. Actually, yep, these two. I'll see. Apply on those faces. Okay, this one is like chocolatey wood walls and the on this and on this also. Okay, that's all for it. I think I will select this pattern and I will apply it. Okay, it's okay, but I think it's okay. Now we need to adjust the scale. Select this, edit 1500. Oh my, yeah, a shiny like this. That's it. This is what I'm looking for. A dark chocolatey wood and black. We need to adjust the blackness in the rendering itself. And here, this is how I want this room. Oh, we forgot the chair. Okay, I will copy the chair and I will continue the video. I have copied these chairs. These are from these are available at 3dwarehouse.com only. These chairs which are already in use, but over here I'm going to make this texture black, and these are like a chrome. Or however, we will adjust each and every material as usual. So this is my concept. This is how I imagined it. So these are like a hexagonal ceiling, and over there we are going to get the lights and a dark background rafters, and over here and chocolate color wood, a little bit grayish This is also wood only, like what we call plywood, but it will be covered with gray paper, gray color coat, something like that, and the same pattern as everywhere. See, similar way, but in this direction door is there, so over here we will mirror this, say all objects, but everything will be same. So as I told you, while rendering we can take one picture, but if we are going to animate, I mean that will be our last video. In the animation I am going to copy in each and everywhere and I will take the animation. Oh, that will be later part. So for now we will concentrate on this rendering. So let's start the Enscape. Same drill, I have split my windows like this. If you observe here, everything is dark, like if you compare over here, there is a large window, so outside lighting will be coming from this direction, but over here there is no external lighting. I mean everything will be gypsum wall and external wall coverings only, so we need to more focus on interior lighting only. By the way, we can get that right away. As I told you, I am going to place this lighting section, right? That is looking good actually. And before adjusting any material, first of all, I am going to create the lights inside this. I will create a one spotlight. You already know, to create spotlight we need 4 points. This center I will place this. Okay, in vertical direction, second point. Okay, this is the problem we always place. 1, 2. See, we have created this light. Okay, from this one, if you select this, with this intensity we can get that lighting, but I am not using normal Enscape objects, I mean normal Enscape light. With the beam angle you can just also, you can do everything, but I want to use IS light. This is like a realistic light, so that's why I use IS light always. Here, this is actually good for me, for my taste. See, this is how I want. If you adjust the brightness, the same thing, but the cone angle, everything will be, and that code will be in that IS profile. Okay, one by one we will adjust the material. This is the lighting I want, that's it. On top I want just the same black color acting, but some shininess I need. The materials, select this one and same, little bit shininess, not too much, very little. Okay, and if you use a metallic, that's a complete different one. Little metallic only I want to use. Little roughness, that's it. This is what I want, and the same thing is going to be here. And what else? If you adjust this wood material, shiny one with the bump of 0.5, that's good, and I will use little bit more shiny. And one more thing what I want to apply, oh, it is disturbing. Actually I hide this. Okay, even this as well disturbing my view. Okay, what we need to do, need to adjust this. Oh my god, field of is already wide. Okay, okay. For this shot I will take this render like this. I will crop the image up to here, so that we don't need to focus on here, only center part. Okay, close it. What else you need to adjust? For the flooring, as I told you, increase the glossiness. looks okay, not so much. If it is external source, that will be good, but for the internal lighting it is not that good. I will increase the size, texture size, 3 or even furthermore 4. Okay, that's good. Just increase that so that these these shapes won't be disturbing our view. I want that blackish glossiness. If you want to increase further glossiness, you can use with the metallic property. If I increase the metallic property, so more reflections will be coming from that, but it is getting darkened out, so I'm not using that. That's enough for me, so leave that part. And one more thing, this one, just use little bit shiny glossiness. Use metal, no metal, yes, that's it, the same thing. Furthermore also not a problem. And I want it pure white. Edit, increase the whiteness. Okay, next one, what we need to do, so we need to take a render like this. Next what, or you can take the render also like this also, so that the chairs, everything we need to cover, right? Okay, and next I want to use the laser on it. Okay, what else? For the decorative piece we don't need to adjust anything, and these are materials already in use, so I'm going to apply glossiness on it. Just decrease the opacity so it will look like a mesh kind. Okay, that's enough. And one more thing is, okay, this is not right. Okay, just select it, apply the glossiness. The printer should be reflective, right? And that is like a shiny material. This one also you can concentrate, but it's not getting inside the picture, right? So leave this part here, some glossiness. And what else we can adjust? Okay, and one more thing, this ceiling I want it to be deco material. The hexagons what we have applied, that is deco, which means glossy one, full glossy. Okay, just a bit. That's it. Reflections on these faces, that's okay, but I'm not feeling this one is good. Why, I don't know. Maybe increase the darkness or something like that. Edit, just increase the darkness. No, on the white not so much. Actually this chocolate color also not highlighting anything, so we need to work on it little. So before that we need to adjust the seat. This one should be dark one. Oh, okay, there is a reflection applied here. We have applied some reflection smoothness on it, so it is reflecting. This is also looking good, right? Just look like a leather kind of effect. Okay, but a fabric one, nothing else. And select this one, apply. Oh, there is no texture on it, so edit, use this leather. Leather, dark leather. Wow, matching. But for the leather properties we need to adjust like scale and all. Okay, nowhere I can see the texture over here. Why? Okay, I will change another. Okay, 20. By the way, not looking good. Yeah, but the texture should be visible on here. Why it's not visible? Okay, I will change to another one. This is the one. No, not this type. Nope. Yeah, black color. Yeah, it is visible little bit, so I need to increase it more and use this oh my. Leather shines a bit, and I will albedo. Now it is looking like a leather. Yes, good. Decrease the bump very little. Increase the shininess. Yeah, see, now it's looking like a leather one. Or I can increase further more the scale. 3 to 6. Oh, the bump is in reverse direction, so it should be minus negative value. See, now it's looking good. Now okay, right, this is perfect, looking like a leather one. That's it. So this is official, everything is perfect, and everything okay. For a change, what I am looking at it like the black theme is good, but over here I'm feeling, it's like feeling like something not right. So a gray color theme is okay, but I want like apply entirely wood material. Like only outside, not here. Inside gray only, but outside. I will double click it and B. Oh my. Control Z. Too much. B. On this space and here. Oh, I don't like it. I don't know why, but I am not liking this very much. Okay. For a change, I will change this wood material to oak material. I have oak material. What is that oak? Yeah, wood oak. Here different oak materials are there. Either you can choose this one or this. Okay, for now I will choose this. Oh, even this one also looking good actually. And how about this? Yeah, good. Actually, I'm starting to like this very much actually. I like it very much. And one more thing what we can do. Okay, if you want to change the same wood with another one, this one I want to use some change. Oh my, this one also looking pretty. Okay, I will keep it. Okay guys, if you learned something from it, like I'm thinking the same pattern you can make, or you can change the different designs however you want, change it. Like try with different wood and different color patterns. I have used the background theme with rafter and black shade, right? You can change in different combinations. Why I choose like I want it the ceiling should be in white color hexagonal design. So for the opposite color must be, if you use opposite color, obviously it will look good. So for the combination, I use this kind of wood pattern. So you come up with different ideas and do your work, and please share your work in my community place, or you can share it in my Facebook page as well. You already know, you can find it in the description. Please share your work. I will feel very happy. Okay, thank you for watching. Take care.